Morning.
What's up, guys? Tuesday morning, 10 a.m.
Yeah.
We're on delivery number 2.
Is it really already 10?
Yeah. First delivery, it was like $5, 5 miles.
Yeah, not bad.
This one was $9, 5 items, 4 miles.
Yes. Hopefully we get our car back today. They said that today was going to be the day, so.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's done before we decide to go home.
Right.
If not, we'll get it tomorrow, I guess.
Yeah. Looks like our battery's dipping out on us, so we're going to have to dip out on you for
I
now?
don't know why this thing was on the charger all night again.
Right.
So.
Yeah, we're just going to have to get some new batteries.
Battery's checking out on us, guys.
We're going to check out on this clip. See you in a minute.
What's up, guys? It is now 11:15. We're sitting at 28 bucks. We just got $6.50 for 2 miles. Not bad. Drop this off. Hopefully I can pick up a banger. Close out this 2 hours this morning. I don't think they're gonna have my other car done today. No. I'm not gonna stick around till 5 o'clock to find out either. Catch you on the next one. What's up, guys? Just added on a nice little double. First one's $6.50 for 2 miles. The next one is $6.50, 2 items, 2 miles. So nice little $12 double. Yeah. I think we're up to 22 bucks. This taking up to 32 bucks. So looking for 2,300. 2,300 right here. I'm gonna drop this off, go get the shopping order, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. What's up, guys? $15, 9 items, going 10 miles. Fuck. Just to come back to grab a few things to go home. Whatever, we'll run it. Let's take us right up to 100 bucks and get us out of here. What's up, guys? Sat for a little bit. It's 11:40. And of course, right at the lunch hour, they want to send me $20, 38 items, going 3 miles. Not great, but not bad. Like, these items are getting out of order. Getting out of hand, I should say. So it should be more around the $30 mark instead of $20. But I'm gonna run in. I'm gonna bust ass. Hopefully it only takes me like 20 minutes. Get it delivered within 10. That's 20 bucks for a half hour. I like using Meyer labor to scan and bag all this. That's less I gotta deal with. So, with that being said, I'm gonna run in here, shop for this, and I will catch you guys on the next delivery. What's up, guys? 2 o'clock, I think?
Yeah,
2:10? At least skedaddle.
we did.
We had a nice delivery, take us 10 miles north,
And that was it.
which is 10 miles closer to home. No sense in going back and back.
No,
That would have been a 30-mile turnaround. So.
especially when they had everything we needed right there and clear. You know.
So it was an alright day, made $100. Still don't have our car back.
No.
I'm not sticking around to 5 o'clock just to be disappointed.
Yeah.
I'd rather go home and then they can
Pick it up tomorrow.
Right, I'll pick it up tomorrow.
Yeah, what are they gonna do? Call us at 4:30 at the very end of their day to finally come pick it up?
Right. Nah, I'm good.
Yeah.
Gotta go home, chill,
Yep.
hang out with the kids, be there for when they get off the bus.
Yeah.
And we're having leftover goulash tonight.
Yep.
Seeing as how everybody on the internet hated my goulash.
Damn.
I don't know how much more goulash could get.
Right.
So it's gonna be even better today than it was yesterday.
Yeah.
We got breadsticks and salad to go with it.
Yes. We got some Italian dressing too.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Which doubles as a meat marinade.
Yes.
Like so cheap as a meat marinade.
Yep.
Or if you're smoking pork butts, use that to inject it instead of oil. So much cheaper.
And tastier.
Poor Reba does not get a pig ear today.
No, but if I remember, I'll pick her up a meat stick at the store. She likes meat sticks.
She does.
Yeah.
They've been getting her glucosamine pills.
Yeah.
It's been like what, maybe 5-6 days?
Yeah.
You can really notice a difference in the way she maneuvers around the house.
The way she maneuvers, the way she sits down, the way she stands up, the way she chases chipmunks again. Like, I feel like she's been suffering without him. So
Yeah.
they're just gonna have to put like $12, $15 aside every couple of weeks so we can give them to her, help her out.
She's cute. She don't like taking them, but she does.
But she will.
Holy
She has to. Yeah.
Let's just spit them out, eat them 3 times over, and then finally eat it. It's cute.
Yeah. She's goofy. But she's good though. So, but yeah guys, apparently our battery's on the fritz again, so
Oh shit.
yeah.
It said it was full when we just turned
Right,
it on.
literally just said it was full. So alright. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you all have a good night and a good day.
Get your grandma a silicone meat stick. It's
Yep.
been a minute.
Yep. And don't forget to take care of your mental health, everybody.
Boom. #1, guys.
Yeah. So
Peace out.
deuces. Until next time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.
Please hit the like and subscribe.
Yeah.
The dumpster, guys. We got it on video. Rocking it there. almost looks like he's missing a whole row of tires right here in the back right side.
He might be.
Here we got some local Amish guys.
Hey. Those beautiful
A
horses.
team of 6 horses.
Yes. And they wave. The people, not the horses, guys.
Certainly not trying to get too close to them.